How to get 100 plus or 120 plus out of 160 in MCET exam? Here are some of the gunshot questions, or you can say most important topics in MCET exam. I have decoded them from previous year papers. So take down a paper and pen and note down these important topics and follow them sincerely. Let's start with mathematics. From functions, you can expect f of g of x problem, f inverse of x, finding range, domain, go through definitions of one-to-one onto functions. From matrices, transpose of a matrix, rank of a matrix, go through definitions of symmetric, skew symmetric, scalar matrix. From system of equations, you can expect question like following system of equations have no solution, infinite solution, etc. Angle between the lines, trivial and non-trivial solution. By heart these trigonometry formulas, tan 2 theta, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, etc. All formulas are important. Don't even leave a single formula from trigonometry. Hyperbolic functions, it's a very easy chapter. Finding roots of a quadratic equation, cubic equation, complex numbers, easiest chapter. Conjugate of complex number, from vectors, addition and multiplication of vectors, coplanar and non-coplanar vectors, limits and continuity, right? Those are two simple chapters. Partial fractions, arithmetic progression, geometric progression. Go through a IP textbook, solve it completely. You have already done for intermediate exams, right? For limits and continuity and partial fractions, follow IP textbook, that's enough. And even for complex numbers also. From probability, you can expect questions of balls problem, like a back content red green ball, drawing a red ball, find the probability of drawing a red ball. Conditional probability, variance, mean deviation, coefficient of variation. From circles, tangent and circle problem. Find whether the circles are orthogonal or not. Finding the radical center of circle. From ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, learn all the formulas like major axis, minor axis, every single formula. Don't leave it. These are easy chapters. You can do it. Differentiation, integration. Practice previous year papers. Finding angle between curves, Poisson distribution. A question will be asked like sides of triangle are in ratio. Find the angles which are in ratio. Differential equations. It's too easy, right? So make sure you solve IP textbook completely. Now let's see physics. Physical world. Go through physical world, each and every topic. Logical gates, units and dimensions. Laws of motion, Ampere's law, Gauss law, Carnot engine, finding the efficiency. So these are one of the most simplest topics and you can score good marks from these chapters. Nearly 4 to 5 marks easily. So don't leave these topics from physics. Most of the students are afraid about physics, but don't do like that. Make sure you practice physics also. Nuclear force, gravitational force, electromagnetic force. These are easy, right? Finding the tension in string, Young's modulus, latent heat of vaporization, Cp is to Cv ratio. Heat chapter is one of the important chapter, heat thermodynamics chapter. You can do it. There are some topics in physics, you can do it easily. So score at least minimum 20 out of 40 in physics. Don't leave it like that. Finding the temperature coefficient of resistance, a problem of ratio of velocities, base current of amplifier, surface tension of soap bubble, finding the RMS velocity, finding the de Broglie wavelength. So these are simpler topics, follow them. Don't leave physics. From lengths, focal length, current electricity, circuit, series, parallel, connections, these are easy, right? Finding the work done, heat capacity, atoms, nuclei, semiconductors. These chapters are easy. These 3 chapters are too easy. Don't leave them. So don't leave physics. Do it. Most people just do maths and chemistry and leave physics aside. Don't do like that. You need to score at least 20 to 25 marks in physics also. So let's go through chemistry. In inorganic chemistry, you must score full marks. Suppose there are 10 questions from inorganic, you must attempt 10 and you must get correct answers. Questions will be asked based on atomic size, ionic size, dipole moment, electronic configuration of element, VSEPR theory, bond angle, bond length, right? Characteristics. Chemistry is an easy subject and a scoring subject. Score 40 out of 40 in chemistry. You can expect question from kinetic molecular theory of gases, finding the molarity, molality, normality, mole fraction, mass percent, types of redox reaction, balancing of reactions, finding enthalpy, go through extensive and intensive properties, finding the CP to CV ratio, equilibrium constant, buffers, solubility product. Go through these topics. These are the most important topics. Make sure you cover all the topics in chemistry. Hard, soft water, dihydrogen isotopes, hydrogen peroxide. Go through physical and chemical properties. COD, BOD, oxides of sulfur, carbon, nitrogen. Go through definitions of slag, zinc, solvent, smog. So make sure you follow IP textbook also. IP textbook is the most important element in order to get 40 out of 40 in chemistry and other subjects too. IUPAC naming, it's easy. Organic reactions, go through all the organic reactions. Rosemond, Williamson. Benzene preparation, amines, it's an important chapter. So whichever LQs you are prepared for IP, go through them for organic reactions. Finding the EMF, go through batteries topic, lattice. Now let's go through botany and zoology. Biological classification, this is one of the most important chapter. These are some of the important chapter you must follow in botany and zoology. Cell unit of life, genetics, molecular biology, biotechnology, animal diversity 1, 2, ecology, human anatomy and reproduction. Go through these chapters. These are the most weighted chapters. So I want you to go through all the topics. I don't give any important topics in these chapters. Okay. So mostly the questions will be asked like match the following basis, assertion and reason. We need to guess true or false. They can ask the sequence, correct order, study the diagram and label. So go through all scientist names, disease names. So make sure you take down short notes. Maintain notes so that you can revise. Okay. Examples of species. Go through IP textbooks. Solve previous year papers. Practice minimum 50 to 70 questions from each chapter. Maintaining short notes is important. It would help you before your exams. So make sure you note down whatever you are studying. Practice it. Don't waste your time. Practice as much as questions you can. And make sure you do smart work, not hard work. Go through previous year papers. Previous year papers are important. Solve all previous year papers. So basically, many people ask about the books. Follow intermediate test books, Arihant handbooks, previous year papers and college material. These 4 things are enough to score 120 plus or even 160 out of 160 in EAMCET exam. You just need to go through the topics and solve as much as questions you can solve. So basically, I will announce the giveaway result by 5 p.m. So follow these test books. Intermediate test books are enough. No other reference book is required. Arihant handbook, they are awesome, right? So leave a like below because it takes lots of hard work to make such content for you. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe the Dream Builders channel. And if you are having any doubt, you can comment below or you can even join a WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching.